Sitting today at the Federal High Court Abuja, Justice Gabriel kolawole granted bail to High Chief Raymond Dokpesi on the following terms. Dokpesi to provide 2 sureties with properties and deeds worth 200 million naira. Dokpesi to drop his international passport with the Federal High Court and must apply, get approval before making any international travels.
Is that High Chief Raymond Dokpesi was today granted bail by the Honorable Justice Gabriel kolawole of the Federal High Court Abuja on the ground that he deserves bail. He made it clear that our system of justice is accusatorial and not the French system, which is inquisitorial, by which it is the guilt of an accused person that is presumed. That under Nigerian law, it is the innocence of a person that is presumed. And that no matter the amount of money you mention, we call it billions, the question is, what is the penalty? What is the penal consequence of your act? And that it is nothing more than 7 years imprisonment, which the prosecution itself affirmed. That can you say because of this penal consequence, when no gravity, serious gravity has been disclosed in the material before the court, can you say because of 7 years a person should not be granted bail?
The bail condition is met. Where will High Chief Dokpesi?
Oh yes, the judge made it clear. It has to be in police prison custody, which is the civil prison custody for accused person, and that is Kuje Prison, nearest to here. And because it's no longer the subject of EFCC, he has become the baby or the subject of the court. And the court now feels that that is where he will be better treated, not by his immediate adversary, but by an institution set up for that purpose.
The ruling is sound in granting bail. It's purely at the discretion of the judge, and you hardly see where the appellate court will interfere with the granting or refusal of bail. Even under the administration of criminal justice law, the Federal High Court had earlier refused bail for some people that were charged for indictable offenses. You remember the case we are doing at Ibadan, or this CBN scam. The bail was refused by Federal High Court, and the Court of Appeal upheld it last week. So it's not. It's purely at the discretion of the court. Since the court decided to grant bail, it's good.
Meanwhile, Justice kolawole ordered Chief Dokpesi to be reprimanded at Kuje Prisons until terms for his bail are met, or he be kept in prison till the 17th of February 2016, when he is to appear in court again. Justice kolawole of the Federal High Court granted High Chief Dokpesi bail on the terms that first, he will provide 2 sureties who will equally bring landed properties worth 200 million naira each, swear affidavits and submit details of their properties, of their deeds to the Federal High Court for keeps, should he abscond or jump bail. High Chief Dokpesi will submit his international passport with the Federal High Court so that he can be within the confines of the country. Should he wants to travel out of the country, he will seek permission of the Federal High Court. When it is granted him, his international passport will be released to him, and then he can make his journey to wherever he wishes to go and come back to the country. Upon this, it is agreed that whilst the arrangement for the bail is being done, High Chief Dokpesi is to be at the Kuje Prisons, where he will be kept and be provided to the court whenever the court will want him on or before the bail is done. And it is equally said that after the bail is granted Chief Dokpesi, that the EFCC should not further arrest him. Should the EFCC want to interview High Chief Dokpesi, it should be done within the hours of 10 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. He must not be kept for any reason beyond 6:30. If EFCC finds it needful to keep Dokpesi beyond 6:30, they should get a warrant from the court, an approval from the court, so that will be under the confines of the law. High Chief Dokpesi will be remanded at the Kuje prisons until the documents for bails are tidied up and all the conditions for bails are met. From the Federal High Court, Lucy Agba, PTV.